Do you think founding your startup in Switzerland is a unique advantage, or do you think you could have started anywhere in the world?
No, definitely. I believe that being situated in Switzerland and arising from such a high-ranking university helped in so many ways, starting from the excellent startup atmosphere here in Zurich, where a lot of your peers are very open to discuss the hurdles that they've been through already and that are on the way for us. And therefore, there's an immense pool of experience and advice out there that is, in most cases, free to access, given the contact to the right people. On top of that, there's excellent sources for funding, and especially non-dilutive funding, which is very convenient in the early stages of the company, where perhaps the business model or the entire business plan is still not set in stone. I think it's great that the state is willing to support such ventures out into the unknown, if you will. Furthermore, being situated at ETH Zurich, we have access to an excellent pool of highly skilled people in many different areas. So sourcing personnel is definitely easier in such an environment as opposed to somewhere else in the world, I believe. We try to take advantage of this fact as much as possible. One of the challenges being situated in such a country as Switzerland, especially in regards to the high-performing economy here, is really trying to upkeep manufacturing site, which takes a lot of labor, of course, which in Switzerland is expensive. Therefore, it is always a balance between the value that we provide to our customers and of course, the cost on our side. I believe after our operation grows beyond a certain scale, that we might consider moving or also opening different locations around Europe and the US for a beginning.